Is it time to buy or sell Ishares Bitcoin Trust ETF? In this video, we will explore Ishares Bitcoin Trust in detail. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 26th of November, 2024. And now we are here to offer you an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You certainly do not want to miss any vital updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched artificial intelligence stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the potential of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one of 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please keep in mind that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be viewed as financial advice. Since the 14th of October, 2024, our system has identified Ishares Bitcoin Trust as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 1.12. Now, let's examine the performance of this ETF during this time frame. Those who adhered to our analysis would have experienced a noteworthy gain of 37.61% since we initially designated Ishares Bitcoin Trust as a buy candidate 32 days ago. This equates to an average return of 1.18% each day since it was classified as a buy candidate. The exchange-traded fund is positioned within a robust and expansive upward trend in the short term, and indicators suggest further growth within this trend. The current 3-month trend indicates a potential change of approximately 56% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from 31% to 73%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it suggests a change of about 26% over the coming year, with potential returns varying between -19% and 38%. This corresponds to a price range between $42.09 and $71.29 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for Ishares Bitcoin Trust includes the headline, Ishares Bitcoin Trust ETF price ended at $51.70 on Tuesday after losing 4.29%. The Ishares Bitcoin Trust ETF price fell by 4.29% on the last day, which was Tuesday, the 26th of November, 2024, dropping from $54.02 to $51.70. During the last trading day, the ETF fluctuated 4.76%, reaching a low of $51.54 and a high of $54. The price has risen in 5 of the last 10 days and is up by 1.27% over the past 2 weeks. Volume decreased on the last day along with the ETF, which is generally a positive sign, as volume should align with the ETF's movement. On the last day, the trading volume fell by 2 million shares, with a total of 64 million shares bought and sold for approximately $3.33 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $56.86, while the lowest price was $22.02. Currently, the price stands 9.07%, or $5.16, below the 52-week high of $56.86, which is also the all-time high for the ETF. The recent launch of options on IBIT, which occurred on the 19th of November, 2024, is poised to usher in significant developments in the Bitcoin market. This introduction is not merely a procedural update. It marks Bitcoin's maturation as a legitimate asset class capable of attracting serious corporate demand. Analysts predict a gamma vanna squeeze, driven by options and dynamic hedging, could create a substantial supply shock as institutions increasingly adopt Bitcoin as a treasury asset. This dynamic could establish a robust price floor for Bitcoin, which has recently seen fluctuations while trying to break past the $100,000 threshold. In the short term, these developments could invigorate IBIT's stock price, stimulating interest as Bitcoin continues its ascent following a notable rally. Additionally, the ongoing momentum in exchange-traded funds related to Bitcoin underscores investor optimism further enhancing potential price appreciation. In the long term, should Bitcoin maintain its trajectory towards significant milestones, bolstered by favorable regulatory perspectives, including the anticipated changes with the Securities and Exchange Commission as Gary Gensler steps down, IBIT may position itself favorably within the burgeoning cryptocurrency landscape. This combination of market momentum and strategic institutional involvement places IBIT at a critical juncture, promising potential for both immediate and sustained price growth. The following signals have been identified for Ishares Bitcoin Trust. The Ishares Bitcoin Trust exchange-traded fund holds a sell signal from the short-term moving average. However, there is a buy signal from the long-term average. With the short-term average positioned above the long-term average, a general buy signal for the ETF emerges, indicating a positive forecast. If there are further gains, the ETF will encounter resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $53.81. On the contrary, if the ETF declines, it will find some support from the long-term average around $43.64. A breakthrough above the short-term average will trigger a buy signal, while a drop below the long-term average will result in a sell signal. Additionally, a buy signal is present from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Some negative signals have also emerged, which may affect near-term developments. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Friday, November 22, 2024, and so far, the ETF has dropped by 8.48%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Volume decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which mitigates overall risk, as volume typically follows price movements. Here are some additional signals that you may find intriguing. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots reflect a sell signal from 3 days ago. Bollinger suggests a buy signal from 12 days ago. The short-term moving average indicates a sell signal from 2 days ago. The long-term moving average shows a sell signal from 35 days ago. The relationship between the short and the long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 50 days ago. When we examine the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average indicates a buy signal from 34 days ago. The long-term moving average also indicates a buy signal from 34 days ago. The relationship between the short and the long moving averages reflects a buy signal from 32 days ago. For more signals, feel free to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Ishares Bitcoin Trust. Ishares Bitcoin Trust finds support from accumulated volume at $51.04. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be expected when the support is tested. This exchange-traded fund may experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility. With a very large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this ETF is classified as very high risk. Over the last day, the ETF experienced a range of $2.46 between its high and low, translating to a percentage change of 4.76%. Throughout the past week, the ETF has shown a daily average volatility of 3.37%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Ishares Bitcoin Trust. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Ishares Bitcoin Trust is at $52.13. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the ETF, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Ishares Bitcoin Trust encounters its first support level at $51.04. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $48.80, reflecting a decrease of 5.6%. This exchange-traded fund exhibits significant daily fluctuations, resulting in a high level of risk. Recently, a sell signal emerged from a pivot top identified 2 days ago. Is the Ishares Bitcoin Trust ETF a good investment? Several short-term indicators, along with an overall positive trend, suggest that this could be a favorable time to consider a purchase, as there is a reasonable likelihood for the Ishares Bitcoin Trust ETF to perform well in the near future. After examining the volatility and movements from the previous trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price appears to be undervalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 27th of November, we anticipate that the Ishares Bitcoin Trust will open at approximately 71.2 cents and begin trading at $52.41. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions to buy or sell securities. Your investment choices should not be based solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge that you are responsible for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the exchange-traded fund. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day, with best regards from all of us here at StockInvest.